In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export signatures in Microsoft Outlook. This process is very straightforward and doesn't take long, so let's dive right in. First, we need to access Outlook. Open your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Once you're there, you should see the Sign In button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials. Remember, for a seamless experience, ensure your internet connection is stable, as the process might involve loading different pages or downloading files. After successfully signing in, you'll arrive at Outlook's homepage. Here, you'll have access to all your emails, calendar, and other features. We're now going to navigate towards managing our email settings, so look for the Settings icon. It's typically represented by a small gear symbol in the top right corner. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down, you'll need to find and select View All Outlook Settings. This link should be towards the bottom of the drop-down menu. Clicking on it will take you to a new window with several tabs and settings categories that you can explore. In this particular scenario, we're interested in the email settings, so ensure you're on the Mail tab. In the Mail settings, there's a subcategory titled Compose and Reply. This section is specifically dedicated to how you compose new emails and how you can set up automated replies, among other options. Within this section, locate and click on Signatures. This is where you'll find all the existing email signatures you've created, or where you can create a new one if you need to. Once in the Signatures menu, you'll see an option to create a new signature. This is usually marked by a plus or New Signature button. Click on this to start creating a new signature. This is where you can type the signature you want, or if you're importing a signature from a file, this is where you'll paste the content. If you are exporting, simply copy the text and keep it for future use or sharing. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Outlook to import or export your email signature. This small detail can significantly enhance your email communication by providing recipients with relevant information about you or your organization. Remember, having a consistent and professional signature can leave a lasting impression. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more straightforward guides. Happy emailing!